Alright, this is day 25 of solving math problems until a Hololive member notices me. So pretty much here we have a problem where we were asked to find a, right? Pretty much that we have x squared plus x is equal to 5, and pretty much this expression, x plus 3 cubed plus 1 over x plus 3 cubed is equal to a. But how do we find a exactly, right? Well, we could go ahead and do it the long way, solve for x in the quadratic, and then say, okay, that is our solution. But we're not going to do that because that's going to take a long time. Instead, this problem pretty much tests your manipulation skills and pretty much your logical thinking and reasoning skills, right? So what we're going to do, right, at first is look at our second equation mainly, x plus 3 cubed. We could pretty much just make this into a yz cubed, right? Anything. So we're going to say y is equal to x plus 3. And we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, so we get x is equal to y minus 3. And squaring x, we get x squared is equal to y squared minus 6y plus 9. So replacing that in our first equation, right, we're going to go ahead and get y squared minus 6y plus 9 plus y minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay? And pretty much if we subtract 5 from both sides, we will have 3 or negative 3 minus y, which is negative 8. And we have 9 minus 8, right? And y squared minus 6y plus y. So y minus 6y, that is going to be, so we have y squared minus 5y, and then we will have plus 1 is equal to 0. So that's pretty much important to our equation, right? So we have y squared minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, and y cubed plus 1 over y cubed is equal to a. So we're just going to erase y now. And here now we could go ahead and look at the fact that we can manipulate our expression. So our quadratic, right, which will be y squared plus 1 is equal to 5y. Divided by y, we have y plus 1 over y is equal to 5. So we could finally replace our first equation with simply that. Y plus 1 over y is equal to 5. And we're going to cube, right, the first expression. So we have y cubed plus 3, and then y plus 1 over y plus 1 over y cubed is equal to 125. I was going to write 5 cubed, but I'll just write 125. And as we know here, right, we have this entire expression, y plus 1 over y. This is 15. So we say y cubed plus 1 over y cubed plus 15 is equal to 125. Subtracting 15 from both sides, we get y cubed plus 1 over y cubed is equal to 110. And pretty much we know that y cubed plus 1 over y cubed is equal to a, so we get a is equal to 110. So we pretty much found what our expression is equal to. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of this problem, right? It's just a matter of fact of knowing when to use your values and givens to your own advantage, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for day 25, and hopefully you pretty much learned a bit of quick math in a sense. But yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye.